So today I'm going to go ahead and start getting the kitchen here out at Mom and Dad's house ready to hopefully get the floors done here within the next couple of weeks. I'm going to just start taking out all of these cabinets, and then I'm going to turn off the propane so that way I can move the stove out of here and get all of these like totes and tables and things out, so that way we can start the flooring here soon. So that's what I'm going to get started on now. No! Oh, wait. Okay, these going first. I'm gonna get you. Well, at least I got the tripod. Back to the important stuff. Ta-da! All of that was to staple that up because I gotta take that shelf down. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this floor because it's pretty disgusting. I'm gonna have like 20 dead spiders on the bottom of my shoe by the end of this. Yeah, if you're an arachnophobe, this might not be the video for you. No. So the seam where they meet is right here. So I'm going to try, even though this is a masonry chisel, I don't have a regular chisel with me, so I'm hoping that this works the same. So any actual carpenters watching this, shield your eyes. Alright, so we might just have to take the sink off anyways, and then put the countertop off that way, since I don't have the right kind of saw. Come on. How much more can I turn you? Okay, I almost got that one. Yes. Alright. Cold water is off. Hot water still is not. I'm gonna be so annoyed if I end up having to shut the whole water off in the house just because of that dripping. I'm assuming that I like broke it a little whenever I was trying to use the pliers. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna go shut the water off. Anyways, I'm gonna take a break from trying to get that drip to stop. I'm gonna start working on taking all of these doors off and taking all of the drawers out. And you know, if these weren't ancient, I would use a screwdriver to take the doors off, but honestly, that's all it takes, so, you know. This is what happens when you're impatient and don't want to wait until your uncle gets back from town with the saw that would make this be done in like a minute. I like to complicate things. Oh, there we go. Woo! Should be able to easily just snap this guy now. It's fine. I was hoping it would snap. Not in an area that I needed to stay, but oh well. Be leaving these because they're shams or whatever they're called, to level the countertops, and they look like they're in pretty good condition. So the floor may not have to be replaced. We'll see. Now I do not expect the floor under the sink to look nearly as good as this does, so that's probably gonna have a ton of water damage if I had to guess. Okay, finally got the water off. Maybe. Alright, I just have to drain. And we are going to start unhooking everything. So for that right there, the little like S pipe, and make sure you have a bucket under it, and I'll show you why. Yep. Everything should be unhooked that we can pull the sink out. So now I'm essentially going to do the same thing and just a little more gently demo this from the wall, because I don't want to rip those pipes out of the ground. Not saying this is going to be gentle, but it's going to be more gentle. That is a card, not a fake one. Oops. I'm kind of afraid to lift that that floor part because I don't know what's under there. It wouldn't shock me if there was a snake or a mouse on there, but let's go ahead and knock on wood. There's a dead mouse. Well, I guess at least it's dead. I hope everything that's under there is dead. I'm like afraid to go down there now. Sorry, had to do it. Alright, I think that is going to be my stopping point for this video. Got all that stuff hauled out, and this is what it's looking like so far. All the cabinets are gone, and we'll just have to, well, I gotta move that stove out, but I can do that another day. And then, yeah, we'll be all good to go to start the floors in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different of content, but you can expect to see a lot more of these renovation type videos because we got a ton of projects to do yet out here at Mom's house, so stay tuned for all that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.